Duke, Duke, do you want to tell everybody why you were in puppy timeout? What did you do that got you in puppy timeout? What'd you do? What did you do? No, sir. No, sir. Duke, were you in the garbage? Were you in the garbage? And what's in the garbage? That's what makes you throw up. And that's what makes you have to go potty. Right? Right? So are we gonna go dig in the garbage anymore? Duke? No, sir. No, sir. Do we go in the garbage anymore? No, no. No, no. That's why you're in puppy timeout. Are you ready to get out of puppy jail? Huh? Are you ready to get out of puppy timeout? I can't even see your eyes. Look at me. Look at me. Look, you just got a bath today and your face is all messed up because you digging in the garbage. We can't learn that hard lesson again. No, sir. No, sir. Okay. Are you ready to get out? Did you do your time? Are you done with timeout? Is it time to go to bed? Huh? Do you want to go get in the bed? So you be comfortable? Want to go get in the bed so you be comfortable? Duke, Duke, come here. Duke. Spoiled rotten. Where are you going?